Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. And in this quick video I'm going to be showing you how you can simply add a payment method on your Coinbase mobile app step by step. Our first step being that we open up Coinbase and head to the top left corner of the screen where we have our profile and settings. You click on profile and settings. Once profile and settings opens up, you click on add a payment method. Credit or debit card, it works the same. MasterCard, Visa, it's still the same thing. You click on that and then it says link your card, so you give it some time to load up the menus and the form. You simply add your card number and whatnot, and when it's done you simply click on add card and your card would be added onto the Coinbase mobile app where you can buy and sell and make transaction with your card. Comment down below if you have any questions concerning how we can go about this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.